Alright, this is how to do a headlight fix on a 2005 Saab 97X. The low beam on the driver's side, the wires got burned up. You can see that. And there's two clips for pop out the headlight. Looking at it horizontally, there's a clip right here, and there's a clip right here. It's easy enough to get them up and down with some pliers. That's the down position, and that's up. Then it's just a matter of getting the headlight out. Alright, I realized that I actually had the clips popped up a little bit too high, but actually I just lowered it a little bit, and then the headlight doesn't come out easily. That should be a problem. The best replacement is actually the wiring harness that's available. Although they don't make Saab parts anymore, I actually got this at a Chevrolet dealership. Part number 19299616. Fortunately it was $53.70, but it's better than having to replace the whole headlight. These are heat shrinking clips. I'm going to cut the ends off of these, heat shrink it on, and put a new H11 bulb in there. You put the two ends of the wire in, and then you clamp it down. When you're using a butane lighter like this one, which is what you need to shrink it, a regular lighter is not going to work. You definitely want to keep the flame moving along the two connection points, so that you don't catch it on fire. Wrapping the connectors in electrical tape can provide an extra level of protection against moisture. Alright, get the bulb nice and snug in there, and then when you put it in, it's going to seat down and turn it clockwise a little bit, and these little teeth, this little tooth doesn't fit perfectly, but you could try to kind of get it to fit back snug on here. Alright, there we are. Let's try it out. And there we have it. The low beam is as good as new. Thank you for watching. God bless.